Just like that. Yes. And the new season of the English Premier League is here. For the first time in years. Liverpool will start a new season as the defending Premier League champions. And that feels good. Yes. Anyway, my curiosity turned up as to whether or not Liverpool and Jurgen Klopp can defend this league title. Because we need that other one and then that other one to put us firmly back on our perch. But me not lie, I am disappointed at the lack of activity of Liverpool in the transfer market. One reserve player, that is the sum total of our business. I think that is a mistake, as successful as this Liverpool team has been. But this group of players have been going now, playing at breakneck speed for 2 or 3 seasons. This squad needs freshening up, especially in that midfield. Remember now, City is stocking up. Chelsea broke the bank. And Arsenal is on the up. And of course, Man United are huff and puff round it. The team want to freshen up. Anyway, saying this and saying that, in Klopp, we still trust. We're hearing that City are already the favourites for the title. After Liverpool beat them by 18 points, make them go on with the favourites tag. We shall see what we shall see. I want to drop my prediction for the new season. But guess what? We're not ready yet. I'm not ready to make the prediction. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet.